Hi everyone. Have you ever told yourself, it has to be just right or I'm not doing it at all? That big project you keep putting off, that great idea you never started, or even that simple talk you avoided because you feared saying something wrong? If this sounds like you, welcome to the world of perfectionism. Today, we're going to look at this silent progress killer and learn 5 simple ways to finally escape the all-or-nothing trap. We often think perfectionism is a good thing, a desire to be better. But the truth is, it's often a fear of making mistakes hidden as ambition. This way of thinking stops us from starting anything because we're afraid it won't be perfect. This is where the bad cycle of fear, putting things off, and feeling down begins. But the good news is, it's not a sickness, it's a habit, and every habit can be changed. Strategy 1. The 20-80 rule. The first and most important strategy is the 20-80 rule, also known as the Pareto principle. It says that 80% of your best results come from just 20% of your effort. Perfectionism makes you spend 80% of your time and energy on the remaining 20% of small things that don't matter much. For example, instead of spending hours on a report to make every single sentence perfect, focus on the most important 20%, the main idea and the basic plan. This approach helps you get results faster and stops you from feeling stressed out. Strategy 2. Accept imperfection. This strategy is about being okay with not being perfect. Give yourself permission to make mistakes and to have a finished product that isn't flawless. A completed but not perfect project is always better than a perfect project that never even starts. For instance, if you want to start a podcast, don't worry if your voice isn't perfect or your microphone isn't professional. Just start recording. Publish your first episode even if you know it could be better. This act gives you the bravery to let go of the fear of judgment, and you will naturally improve over time. Strategy 3. Break work into small pieces. This strategy is great for fighting the feeling of being overwhelmed. When you break a big project into small, easy-to-do parts, the giant monster in your mind becomes a series of simple steps. For example, if you want to write a book, don't think about 70,000 words. Just focus on writing 1 chapter, or even smaller, just 1 page. Every time you finish a small piece, you get a sense of success that gives you the energy to continue on your journey. Strategy 4. The time box technique. This simple technique is one of the most powerful tools against the need for perfection. For every task, set a specific time limit, and when the time is up, say the task is finished even if you feel it's not perfect yet. The goal is not to leave the work, but to finish it with the quality you reached in the set time and then move on. Tell yourself, I will work on this project for only 2 hours. When the time is up, save the work as it is and get ready to move to the next step. This exercise teaches you that good enough is often better than flawless. Over time, it helps your brain shift from worrying too much to taking action. Strategy 5. Focus on progress, not perfection. Finally, the most important change in thinking is to focus on progress, not perfection. Success isn't a perfect finish line. It's a never-ending journey. Instead of chasing a perfect result, focus on learning and growing along the way. Tell yourself, I am a little better today than I was yesterday. This growth mindset allows you to take 1 small step every day and will eventually lead you to places you never thought possible. Now it's your turn. Pick just one of these 5 strategies and try it today. Maybe you're thinking this video isn't perfect, but the important thing is, I published it. Remember, the most important step is to start, not to be perfect. Start, make progress, and enjoy the journey.